Yes, console. So sign in. So next, give the password and sign in. Okay, madam. So you want to check every time if you open the console, first you want to check the billing dashboard, madam. So that is the first thing. So it is not getting any billing. Okay, then go to the service. The storage, you have the S3, madam. Storage, you have the S3 here. Okay, give S3.
So all this topic will complete, sir?
What, madam? Each and every topic we have the 2 to 3 tools, madam. Okay, madam. So S3. So this is the S3 console, madam. Okay, S3 console. So you want to create a bucket first of all. So bucket is one of the data container storage, madam. Bucket is the one of the data container storage. So it is not a region specification. That is the point, madam. S3 is not a region specification. Okay, S3 is the global. Okay, madam. S3 is the global. So once in the S3, you want to create a bucket now. Okay, madam. So create a bucket. So give the create bucket. So I can give the one unique name, madam. That is a very important. For example, if I give RAM, so the region you can able to select which region you want. So default I can select the Mumbai region. Okay, so come down. So the second option is block the public access. So nobody outside of the people, they not access the publicly. Okay, madam. If I give the block means all the peoples outside peoples, they cannot access my S3 bucket. Okay, if I leave means it is automatically if we get the acknowledgement. So in this case I will first give the blocking all the access from outside. Okay, second thing is this is a very important, madam, versioning. So the versioning is the mean of keeping the multiple versions of an object at the same bucket. Okay, madam. So that is called a versioning. You can use the versioning to prevent receive the restore every versions of the every object stored in the S3 bucket. So versioning is the very important for the 2 point, madam. So versioning it is using for the 2 important concept. One is the authentication purpose. Second one is the replication purpose. So what is the replication means? Your location is actually region is Mumbai, madam. So your same company, your location is other region. For example, California means if you put anything in your Mumbai location, same replication you want to get from the which location, madam? California location. Okay, so how can get means you want to enable the version. Okay, the versioning is the very important. You want to enable the versioning, madam. Then give create a bucket. See,
Default description we don't have to.
no, not need, madam. Now he not need. Okay, so if you go to company, definitely they will give the encryption, madam. So see, madam, it is not creating because of you want to create a unique name because of it is a global. Okay, so I can give RAM 123 RAM. So
Add one.
Leo. I can give RAM 123 Leo. So I can give create a bucket. It's now creating, madam. See. So RAM Leo, its bucket is created in the which location? Mumbai location. See, madam, it will mentioning the region. But S3 is the global location. See, madam, S3 is the global location. Bucket is the region location. Okay, so go to the bucket. Inside the bucket, you have the more services are having inside the bucket, madam. Okay, so what you want to do? You want to upload the file here. Okay, so go to upload. So you want to add any folder. You can, like, you want to add a file level, or you can give the folder level also. So I can give file level. So just I can give the file and go to the desktop. I can give the simple file, any PDF file or anything I can give here. So go to the PDF. Okay, I can give the certifications, any type of certification. So give the upload. Okay, it is 4 GB, 4 MB space, madam. Okay, 5 MB. So once you are uploaded here means it will stored as an object. Okay, madam. Once you can upload this image, this file means, so this is uploading now. Once is uploaded, okay, come exit. So once you can see here, so this is called a object, madam. See. Okay, so very important terminology you want to know. So what are the things are having inside? So for example, so first one is the what, madam? First one is the S3, right, madam? First one is the S3. S3 is the global. S3 is the global. Then S3 is under the bucket. So bucket is the region. So bucket is the region. Okay, then under the bucket you want to create an object. Okay, madam. So you want to create a object. So this is also come under the region only. So you want to know what you are doing now. So you have the PDF file. Okay, you have the PDF file here. So this PDF file you can give the certain type of the management. Okay, madam. So that the management you want to know. Okay, give the click here, madam. Then go to the management. So the management, if you go means there is a two very important things are having. One is a life cycle rule. Another one is a replication rule. So what is a life cycle rule? Replication rule means. So life cycle rule means use the life cycle to define actions you want to AWS S3 to take during the object life cycle. For example, madam, so we can take the scenario. Okay, so you are putting the object, means this is the object, you are stored in the standard format, right, madam? You are storing the file is a standard format. So what you want to do? After 30 days, my object is moved to the infrequently data, and the same file I want to move to the Glacier data. Okay, so this all the service is called a life cycle rule. Okay, so life cycle means, so you want to give the credential for the each file, or sorry, each object which what time you want to store in the particular disk. Okay, so once it is not possible, madam, because of I will show you how to create. Okay, first one I can give the simple name, any name. So I can give AWS PDF. So second one is, if you give the two option, one is a limited scope, or you can give all the object. So all the object means in your bucket how many objects are having, that all the object it will become the migration to the migrated. So I can give the all the object, then I can give the acknowledgement. Then this is a life cycle rule you want to give here. So the life cycle rule means the translation the current version of the object between the storage classes. Okay, if I give the first one, see madam, it is started the standard duration. Okay, then you want to give the 30 days. So once you can give the 30 days, it will move to the storage classes. So you can give the any type of the options here. So I can give the zone 1 glacier, the same similar only madam. If I give internet training, you can able to give here. So in this case I am not giving any rules here, because of if you give the life cycle means minimum it will take the 30 days madam. So 30 days it will take, then only you can able to change the life cycle rule. So company if you go means definitely you want to do the life cycle rule, that is a very important. So here we can do the second very important management means so the replication rule. Replication is use the replication rule, define the options you want Amazon S3 to apply during the replication, such as a server side encryption, replicative ownership. For example, okay, so this is the okay madam, so actually this is the your bucket. Okay madam, this bucket 1, it depends on the Mumbai. Okay, so second bucket is having, so this is the second bucket. So this bucket is location is California. Okay, so if you put any data in this bucket means any object if you put here means same object I want to replicate this area. Okay, so that type that is called a replication madam. So what type of the thing you want to do here? So you want to enable the versioning in the both buckets. So you can create a 2 buckets. If you put any one object here means automatically it will replicate it to the another location also. If your client is location in here means if you put here automatically it will get from the other person here. Okay madam, so it is possible to do here. So what madam? What madam?
From California, we'll put any storage.
No madam, if you put the anything,
Storage box.
if you put any storage in your Mumbai location, California people they can get the that they will get the PDF.
So any location, if you put.
Yeah, any location.
So Mumbai will also.
No,
California to Mumbai.
no madam, Mumbai to California. So this is your actual. Why means wait madam, because of your object is depends on the which location. So see the
Okay, so the main head of.
main head office. So this is the main head office. So your main head office is the Mumbai. Okay, so where your okay, so then you can create another so I can create another bucket also. So I can give the Palani, no, Chennai 123 Leo. So I can give Chennai 123 Leo. So now I creating the different location. So what Canada I can give madam. So I can give the Canada. Okay, so once I created here, so very important thing, you versioning you want to enable here madam. So I want to enable the version here. Okay, then create a bucket. Okay, you have the two buckets. One is the Canada bucket, another one is the Asian Leo bucket. Okay, so if I go to here, so I want to upload anything here, madam. Okay, so I can upload here anything. For example, if I go to desktop, I upload any file, means same file I want to replicate it to the, so this is a very less file, madam, so hence I uploaded here. If I give upload, okay, same it will replicate it to the Canada also, madam. Okay, you are uploaded here, then go to exit, then you can check, madam. So this is uploaded in the which location? Mumbai location, madam. Correct? I uploaded the Mumbai location one file. Okay, then go to the S3, then go to the Chennai Leo. So give
It's not coming, no?
yeah, madam, it is uploading. It will come, madam.
Acha, no.
It is only one account, madam. You can give the different manner also. So go to the bucket, I can check, madam. So Rio, so management, so replicator rule, madam. Replicator rule I want to create now. So replicator rule I can create a name is replication. Replication. I can give the name is replication. Okay, then I can give the scope. So I want to give all the files or limited files. If you give all means, so what are the things are having inside, it will automatically it will go to their location. So the source, see madam, this is a source bucket. Source means RAM 123 Leo. Okay, then go to down. So you want to give the destination, choose the bucket in account, specify the bucket another account. Okay, madam, so it is the two option is, it is the destination, madam. So which is the, this is the source in the RAM I am having. So you want to go to the destination. So destination you can choose the, you have the two option. One is the, if you choose the first option means you can choose the browse the bucket. So I can give the first one. Okay, choose the path. Okay, see madam, the Canada and the Central Asia. Okay, this is the Canada. So this is the destination. So this is the source, this is the destination. Okay, second type is if you give the specific bucket in another account means, if you give here means, if you have the friend or any other client they're having, you can give the client ID and give the bucket name. That's all, madam. That is the two option is having. It is my account, it is replicating my area itself. If you give this one means, you can give the another AWS account, you can able to send the bucket. Okay, replication, that is also possible. Okay madam, because I am not having other account, we are having only one account, we can choose the bucket and go to browse, and I want to choose the Chennai one because of I want to send the Canada. Okay, so Canada, then come down. The IMA role is very important madam. You want to give the default role or create a new role. So automatically they will create a new role. Okay madam, then come down, then give save. That's all, you are creating the rule here. Okay madam, if I go to Ram Leo, so I can upload the any file here. So for example, same I can attach to one file. So give this one, give open, then give upload. So if you give uploaded, okay, then go to exit. So I will upload it in the ACM madam. Okay, what file? HTML file. Okay madam, this HTML I uploaded in the Mumbai region. So go to the IS3 and check the Chennai. See madam, in the Canada you can get the HTML file.
Where they change?
What madam?
Yeah.
You are getting the HTML file in the Canada because of it is called a replication. It is called a two region replication. Okay, so your client is located.
If you want to put some files,
What madam?
suppose if you want to put any file in Chennai, Canada location, so it will not go to Mumbai.
Yeah, we will try madam, that is also we can try. So go to the Canada. So I had the file in Canada. Okay, the give assure, I can give open, then I can give upload. If you have the trust relationship with both men, definitely it will get. But here in this Chennai, in a central Canada, okay, go to the S3. So I can go to the Leo. So give refresh. So it is not getting here madam. See, because
Head office is Mumbai.
Mumbai only. So Mumbai if you put means you can get the replication to Canada. So this is the S3 bucket madam. Okay madam, so you can so what you want to do means you want to delete this S3 bucket. That is a very important madam. So very important thing, you want to delete the S3. So how to delete means give the delete. First you want to delete the object madam. First you want to delete the object. So give delete. So give delete. Then delete another object. Delete. Then delete this one. Delete. It is not cost madam, because of it is 5 GB they will give you for free. Okay, don't worry madam, it is not become the cost, but it is a good manner. If you deleting means it is a good thing.
Yeah, you can empty GB, so you can use it next time.
Yeah madam, if you give delete, then give exit, then go to here, then delete the bucket. So give the confirmation. See madam, it is asking the confirmation. Why? Because of this bucket is not a empty. You want to get the delete means you want to get the empty. So this is called a authentication. So this is called a versioning. If you enable this version means you want to do the two type of authentication. So see madam, it is a give permanently delete. Okay, if you give permanently delete, then you can able to delete. Okay, give empty, then give exit, then you want to delete. Okay madam, then only can possible to delete the things. Okay, bucket. Okay madam, so that is the main thing. So you can try madam. Okay, I can off the